of Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2 1-box eBay break. February 18th, 2023. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got GILMELE-34 with the Bills, Bears, Bengals, Packers, Rams, Panthers, and Chargers. We got Dolphin Fan with the Broncos, Raiders, Dolphins, Steelers, Cardinals, Falcons, and Colts. Boom, 5051120 with the Eagles, 49ers, and Titans. ROBCA 9219 with the Redskins. PARIFEN-73 with the Jets. CHAHE_8961 with the Giants. JS Mead 111 with the Browns and Patriots. We got L-Holly. Hopefully I said that right there. With the Saints. Jonathan Thark-0 with the Vikings. Spinners and Sports with the Jaguars, Chiefs, and also the Cowboys. GEORLIVI with the Ravens. And we've also got, where am I at here? NIBRAN_27, Buccaneers, and Lions. All right. That will cover our whole lineup. Yes, okay, got it. All right, guys, we got our box right here. 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2. Love these Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmets. Let's get our box open. All right. All right, guys. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Your Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet coming at you front and center. Here we go. And we've got an Eclipse alternate. Panthers. Beautiful. What a beautiful looking helmet there. Panthers. Beckett COA. That is Sam Darnold. Eclipse alternate's got that beautiful matte black finish. Beautiful Sam Darnold Panthers. Eclipse alternate. GILMELE-34. Congrats. Beautiful Sam Darnold there. That is very gorgeous. Beautiful helmet there. Very nice. Panthers. Sam Darnold Eclipse alternate. Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Once again, back at it again tomorrow night with a beautiful lineup, and a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long, so please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much again for your support, everybody. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Please, be smart, be safe out there.